Let's talk about temporary car insurance. Whether you want to share the drive on a road trip, borrow a mate's car for a weekend getaway, or even just help your mum out by doing the big shop, temporary car insurance could be the answer. Policies usually start from just 1 hour and can last up to a month, making it a super flexible way to borrow a car and get on the road. If you're new to temporary car insurance, here's a quick guide on getting an hour's insurance with Cuvva. What you do with the hour, it's up to you. First though, let's chat a little more about what exactly you get with temporary car insurance. Usually, as with Cuvva, temporary car insurance is comprehensive. This means you're covered for damage to your car, to other cars, and injuries to yourselves and others, even if you're at fault. Policies are flexible and often start immediately. With Cuvva, you can extend your policy in the app with just a few taps if you do need more time. And for complete peace of mind, the car owner's no claims bonus is protected if the worst was to happen. Right, now you're ready to buy a temporary car insurance policy with Cuvva. P.S. A quick tip. Because our super handy car insurance starts instantly, make sure you're ready to go when you buy your policy. So get those shoes tied and your bag packed. Here's how it works. Download the Cuvva app. It only takes a few seconds. Easy. Enter the car number plate. If we can insure you on that vehicle, you'll progress to the next step. Enter your personal details. Now I know this sounds a little scary, but we just need some details from you so we can get you up and running. For example, your driving history and your license number. And this should only take a few minutes. Choose your policy length. Now for this example, we'll be choosing 1 hour. The app will show you when the policy will expire and how much it will cost. If you need to extend the policy later, you can do so with just a few taps in the app. And we'll also send you a reminder as your policy is about to expire. Take a photo of your car in the app. Make sure the entire front of the car is visible and the photo isn't too blurry or the wrong way round. Pay, and the cover will start instantly. Now it's time to hit the road. If you have any questions, hit us up. We're available from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. via the app, or you can message us via the website. Don't forget to click subscribe so you can keep up with even more tips and tricks. For more car insurance guides, follow the link in the video description. Happy driving!